Hi everyone, thank you for watching today. In this video, I'll be arranging traditional New Year's flowers, which are an essential part of Japanese New Year celebrations. Please stay and watch until the end. Today's flowers are young pine branches, sandal berries, which are traditionally used in Japanese New Year arrangements and symbolize wealth and prosperity. Ornamental cabbage, ping pong chrysanthemum, and a type of a chrysanthemum called Anastasia. Today I'll use two young pine branches. Compare the two carefully and choose the one that stands most beautifully and naturally upright. Young pine symbolizes longevity and eternal youth, and is considered an auspicious plant used for New Year arrangements and other celebratory occasions in Japan. Once you've chosen the branch, insert it straight into the kenzan, keeping it vertical. Next, we arrange the ornamental cabbage. Ornamental cabbage is also an essential flower for Japanese New Year arrangements. Observe it carefully from different angles and place it so its face looks most beautiful. Next, we place the Anastasia chrysanthemum behind the ornamental cabbage. Next, we'll arrange the ping-pong chrysanthemums. Look closely at the two flowers and place one slightly lower and the other a bit higher. Remove the lower leaves as they may get in the way when we add the celery berries later. Even leaves that don't seem to be in the way should be carefully removed. Doing so helps the flowers look cleaner and brings out their natural beauty. By taking this extra step, the entire arrangement becomes more refined and beautiful. Next, we'll add a few more young pine branches. Pine branches have sticky sap on their stems. Although I don't show it in this video before arranging, be sure to wipe off the sap using newspaper or paper towels. This simple step helps keep your hands clean and makes the arranging process much easier. Just like before, remove any extra leaves from the lower part of the young pine branches. Also, cutting the stem at an angle will make it easier to insert into the kenzan. In Ikebana, choosing where to cut and which parts of the plant to use can sometimes feel challenging. Instead of trying to force your own ideas, take time to appreciate the natural shape of each flower and branch. Letting each element express its own form is the shortest path to create a beautiful arrangement. Next is sandal berries, which we've been waiting for. As I mentioned at the beginning, sandal berry is an essential plant for Japanese New Year arrangements and is considered very auspicious. The name sandal berries literally means 1,000 ryo, an old Japanese unit of money. Because of this, sandal berries symbolizes wealth, prosperity, and good fortune, which is why it is so commonly used in New Year Ikebana. In Japan, New Year is a special time when families gather and spend time together. We enjoy traditional dishes such as osechi and ozoni. Ozoni is a traditional soup eaten during the New Year. The flavor of the broth, the ingredients inside vary depending on the region in Japan. But one thing is the same everywhere: mochi or rice cake is always included. Have you ever tried ozoni? If you have, let me know in the comments. Fan are often used in Japanese celebrations, so this fan-shaped pig adds a traditional New Year touch. All done! How does it look? I hope this video brings happiness and peace to your heart. That's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. And if you like to be even more healed by the beauty of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available both English and Japanese, so if you were interested in the Japanese language, be sure to take a look at the Japanese version too. You'll find all the details in the description box below. もっとお花に癒されたいなと思ったら、ぜひ私の電子書籍をご覧ください。日本語版と英語版をご用意しております。概要欄にリンクを貼っておりますので、ぜひご覧ください。Thank you for watching! 最後までご覧いただきありがとうございました。それではまた次回の動画でお会いしましょう。See you next time! Bye!